கடந்த 6 வருடங்களில் 1000க்கும் மேற்பட்ட காவல் அதிகாரிகளை உருவாக்கிய நமது டெக்ஸ்ட் அகாடமியில் தமிழ்நாடு காவல்துறை தேர்வுக்கான வகுப்புகள் நடைபெறுகிறது. ஆன்லைன் மற்றும் ஆஃப்லைன் வகுப்புகள். For contact 7305 533 533.
Welcome to Exams Ready. In this video, I'm just going to share you how to apply for Stenographer Grade C and Grade D Examination 2020. Stenographer Grade C and Grade D Examination notification was released by SSC a day before, and in our channel we had already uploaded details regarding this notification process. Now I'm going to share you how to apply for this examination. So for any examination which is conducted by SSC, if you want to apply for that examination, you need username and then password. So for that, you want to create one-time registration and then password. So in our channel, we had already uploaded how to create one-time registration in SSC. So if you don't see that, first go through that video. I'm just giving that link in description box. First go through that and then apply for that, and you will get one-time registration number, and then you will follow this procedure to apply for Stenographer Grade C and Grade D examination. So for this, you need registration number and then password, and then you want to give reCAPTCHA, and then if you click login, it will redirects you to this page, and this is the page. What are the recent notification released by SSC that comes here. So as earlier they had released Junior Engineer Examination 2020, and then we had already uploaded how to apply for this examination and the details regarding this. And then now a Stenographer Grade C and Grade D Examination 2020 has released. Application starts from 10/10/2020. So application end date is 4/11/2020. Up to 11:30 PM you can apply for this. And see, here is apply, print, and then download offline challan, and then payment status, application status, double verification of payment. So likewise you can check here, or else if you want to see notification, you can click here. So before applying for this examination, just go through notification and then check your eligibility criteria. So if you are eligible for this, you can apply for this examination. So for Stenographer Grade C and Grade D examination, now I'm going to share you how to apply for this. See, here is an apply button. So if I click this, so it will redirect me to on application page. So we had already created one-time registration. So if you had already created our basic details like our name, our father's name, so our date of birth, and then likewise details will it automatically creates here. You just want to give a preference of examination center, and then you want to upload your photography and then signature. For this examination, you want to apply for this, you need a photograph and then a signature. So photograph must be dated, so in which date you took that photo, so it must be mentioned in that photo, and it is very mandatory. Without data in photo, your application will be rejected, and it is strictly ordered in the official notification. So just go through that photo with date. When did you took that photo? It is very important to apply for this examination. And then see, do you possess knowledge of stenography? If you have a knowledge of stenography only, you are eligible to apply for this examination. So I'm just giving yes, and then I'm just going to give you preference of examination center. So I'm giving my preferred location as Madurai. So you can give your preferred location. So you can give you can give 3 examination center as your preference. So I'm just giving 3 centers, and then it asks for whether you are ex-serviceman. If you belong to ex-serviceman, you can click yes, or else click no. So on these boxes are belongs to ex-serviceman category. So if you need scribe, so you want to give here. So if you are disabled person, you had already applied in that one-time registration, so that's only this box will appear to you. So if you're a disabled person, you want to give your if you need scribe like test like that in that portal. And then medium of skill test, so it asking for you are going through skill test in this examination. So first go through notification clearly about stenographer, and then apply for this examination. So skill test, I'm just giving that in English. and then which post you are applying for, so and then confirm. So I'm just going to confirm my skill of test, so it must be in English medium. And then which category you are going to apply for, if you're applying for grade C, grade D, or else both. So I'm just giving both, so you can give your preferred post. So if you're seeking for age relaxation, you will give that, and you want to indicate code, and you want to provide certificate at the time of selection document verification. So I'm just clicking no, I don't need any age relaxation. And then highest qualification, I'm just giving BE. So this is my highest qualification. And then details of highest qualification, yes, it is 12th standard. And then board, you want to give your board. So I'm just giving Anna University. A minimum qualification for this recruitment is 12th standard, so I'm just clicking 12th standard. So if you had studied equivalent to 12th standard, you want to give that, or else matriculation for ESM having 15 years of service, so you want to click through that. And I'm just giving 12th standard. So it asks for which board you had completed your 12th standard. So it is Tamil Nadu Board of Secondary Education. So I'm just giving Tamil Nadu Board of Secondary Education. You can give your preferred board or university. So and then now I'm going to give my roll number. And then it asks for year of passing. So which year did you have completed your 12th standard? You want to give that year here. And then you want to give your percentage here. So I'm just giving my percentage. And then my postal address. So if you have done one-time registration, it will automatically uploaded here. And then we want to upload our photograph and signature. So it must be in the size of 20 KB to 50 KB, that is photo, and signature must be in 10 KB to 20 KB. I'm just going to upload my photography. So I'm just going to choose file, and then I'm going to upload my signature. Yes, it has uploaded successfully. And then I want to give a declaration, and then I want to enter a reCAPTCHA here. And that's the thing you want to do to apply for this examination. So yes, that's it. And then click preview. So here your application will be previewed. So once you can check here, if you click submit button, you can't edit your responses before clicking submit button. Just go through your application form clearly and check all your details. And then I'm just going to give submit. So it asks for you cannot edit after final submission. If you click you want to submit, yes, I'm just going to give OK. So it's loading. Yes, at the time you can print your application form here. And then that's it. That's the thing you want to do for applying for this examination. And if you are going to do payment for this examination, and here you want to click payment option. So it is exempted for female candidates. For male candidates it will open. So at the time you want to pay amount here using net banking, or else you want to download offline challan, you can click this and you can download it. And if you want to download your application, so here you can print your application form. And then at the time of release of application status, you can click here and you can view your application status. So if you can write any examination, you can check your application history, modify registration, and then result at this profile. You can do all those things. And hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.